Welcome to our presentation. Hello judges, thank you for selecting our idea for the final round. Our team number is 646 and our idea name is Bongo Decor. I am Momita Chando. I study at Janginagar University and my other group members are Oli Mojumdar and Maisha Fahmida Brishti. Though we all are IT students, we do not have any direct connection with nature, but we are very fond of nature from our childhood. We wanted to make our environment pollution free, and so we made a team together and worked very hard. We have done several surveys on environment. We asked several questions to people and collect data regarding environment and furniture. Then we take initiative to change behavior of people in the case of using their home furniture and home decor items, which will be very effective to our future in a good way. Why this idea is important? We'll make eco-friendly furniture and home decor products by using recycling products. If we started using these items, deforestation and plastic consumption will be reduced. Why this idea is an opportunity? By selling the wasted products, customer will get money, or they exchange eco-friendly products. And we found those eco-harmful waste for our environment. So this is an opportunity for all of us to clean our environment. Pain points of our customers. Health problem like heart disease and some types of cancer are caused because of some environmental pollutants like air pollution and water pollution, etc. Furniture which is used in our home are very costly and not so durable. So we'll figure out this problem and we'll solve them. What will this idea will change? We definitely think this idea can change the future. This will help to reduce consumption of plastic and give a healthy environment, and will protect the environment. Will this idea change innovation to the next step? For taking in innovation to the next step, we need to cross some stages, and these are idea, creativity, process, vision, development, inspiration, and growth. I think Bongo Decor will cross all the stages and will reduce environment pollution and also will be the best business idea of this. How does it will work? We collect wastage from our customers. Our customers are mainly the buyers from schools, restaurants, offices, and any other person who are using furniture of made of plastic and wood. Then we'll transform this into eco-friendly products by using non-harmful materials without sacrificing quality. How this idea will solve the problem? Recyclable materials which are more durable, reusable, less toxic, and safer for the environment and people. If people started using eco-friendly products, it will not only help protect the planet and the health well-being of your beloved ones, and but also the future of your kids. Here are some images of our demo app, mobile app, and some images of our eco-friendly products. Thank you, everyone.